Hey there, Cameron here from Winjet Automotive. Today we're going to be removing the OEM fog lights from this 2016-2017 Chevy Silverado and giving it an upgrade by installing our new replacement fog lights from Winjet Automotive. Let's get started. For this install, you're only going to need a 7mm socket attachment. We'll start under the bumper where you'll be able to access the fog lights. First, go ahead and disconnect the power harness from the fog light. To release, pull the red tab towards you until it unlocks the connector. Next, let's locate the 4 7mm bolts that are securing the fog light. Grab your 7mm socket attachment and remove all 4 bolts. Once the bolts are removed, the light will be free. It's now time to install our new fog light. Simply match the light into position with the supported holes. Go ahead and hand tighten the bolts into position. It's now time to secure the light. Grab your 7mm socket and get tightening. Next, secure the power harness into your new fog light. And that's it. Be sure to test the lights before wrapping up your install. Be sure to follow the same steps for the opposite side. Congrats on your new Chevy Silverado fog lights from Winjet Automotive. If you like this step-by-step video, feel free to like and subscribe to see more product install videos and new future products. Thanks for checking in here at Winjet. We'll see you next time.